Welcome everybody. It is Crypto Moose, and it's time to get loose. Mitchell Bouchard, your crypto and NFT investor. So we have a few things to go over on this episode. So if you guys get something out of this, smash the like button, subscribe, and check out the link tree. So let's talk about the fact that we're at a $2.57 trillion market cap. So if I refresh the page, we're at a 2.58. So I apologize. Bitcoin is nearing 70,000. So let's talk about some of the layer ones. This is exciting news. I think, that this could be the moment we've all been waiting for. We're approaching kind of those, we're at basically new highs. Like the fact that we crossed 65, over not that long ago, and we're going to like 70. This is looking good. So typically Bitcoin will go nuts. The alternative assets will follow. Ethereum in particular is up 25%. So towards the end of this video, I'm going to be going over the full set Metacard, which is Ethereum related in terms of the NFT. So Bitcoin, let's call it 69, 70,000. But ETH, man, pumping from 3,100 all the way to, what is that, 36.5 right now. So on the week, you'd be doing very well with Ethereum. The Moose is still holding his full set Metacard, so that's what we'll be going over in this video. So Tether, not depegging, looking good at $1. Binance, BNB, not doing much on the week, but Solana is crushing as well, right? The bigger, faster Ethereum, right? In terms of, VC and this being the more of an ETH competitor than anything else. I think Cardano's up there, but Cardano just gets so much flack from the communities. But I'm still an ADA guy, so ADA is a top 3 position. I'm picking up a lot of Solana, but that's because I already have my ADA bags. I have my Kopi bags, Meld, and other stuff. So Solana is just one of the things that I think could really go to that $500, $600, $700 mark if we really see things going. So if we look and zoom out, Solana peaked around 250, let's call it 200, 250. Obviously these are major spikes up and down. But I think Solana, if we really run here into next year, it could really go. So by the way, nothing in this video should be taken as financial advice, and invest at your own risk. You are listening to a Moose. So it is Monday, May 20th. By the way, so we'll be going over that as well. USDC doing strong, XRP up a little bit, Dogecoin doing well. It is the leader of the memes. Toncoin kind of down this week, but overall this thing's been doing well, exceeding my expectations. In Cardano in the 10 spot, so not bad. ADA's been pumping, and last bull run we did not have ADA. With smart contracts, not a lot of dexes, if any. So you got MinSwap and all these other ones coming out. So very interesting. So comment down below, what are your thoughts and opinions? And if you guys want to follow my public address for Cardano, put in $Ty.ADA. Send the Moose all of your assets. I'm just kidding. But literally, you could check out kind of what I'm into. I hold Meld on Meld, so I don't even have any on any of my hardware wallets. So guys, go to Crypto Moose, and you guys can go under videos, search what it is you want to watch. I have tons of video content. We have surpassed 3,000 subs in just a couple years. So got to start somewhere, right? So definitely get into that. So let's talk about the other thing. And by the way, before we get into it, the reason I think we're pumping, and I've been talking about it for a while, is we are most likely going to see a Ethereum spot ETF. Okay, so there's already been a Bitcoin ETF, and what that is, it's an exchange traded fund. It allows for institutions to buy up Ethereum and then sell it in the form of like a tradable asset in the form of an ETF. So it'll basically allow a lot of people to pick up Ethereum, do it properly, and yeah, it's going to be a big move. It's going to be a big thing. So stay tuned for that. I think BlackRock has already submitted their application a long time ago. And once it gets out, there's going to be probably like Bitcoin, it'll be like 10, 12 ETFs approved at the same time. And they're going to go for it because last time Bitcoin had it, and you're seeing it now, so much money is inflowing into this. Bitcoin and Ethereum, we're almost at a 2 trillion together, right? So that's 1.8 out of the 2.58. Okay, so keep that in mind. Keep that in mind. So let's talk about Ethereum's NFT, the full send Metacard. So today is an important day. Hopefully there weren't any corrections, but we're starting to see this go up. If you picked one up, good for you. But if we go to full send, 520, which is today, it's supposed to be the launch exclusive Metacard holder program. So I was expecting this to come out. It has not come out yet. It's 6:30 EST. So I don't know when it's going to come out, but go to metacard.io. You can check out the timeline, which is this page, and you can go to the holder program. Maybe something will come up tonight. I'm not sure. I'm expecting for something, right? So who knows what's going to happen? I bet you some people will sell their Metacard because now, 0.3 or 0.4 ETH, if we get to there, it's worth significantly more. So the value of these NFTs are $1,200, $1,000 compared to $500 where they were at not long ago. So I'm following John Shahidi, the people involved. So this is a NFT that supports, the kind of the full send brand. So if we go here, basically this is the packaging. I've done videos on my thoughts and opinions, but I think this is a great brand, and this is the first official product that the holders should benefit from. So nothing is for certain. If you want to see my thoughts and opinions, you can go here, type full send, or it's this video right here. Should have more views. The moose was getting loose there. Comment down below your thoughts and opinions. I would like to know what you guys think. Let's see if we can get to 70K by the end of this video. I'm just waiting for it. But really, I'm seeing the market cap creep up. I'm thinking Bitcoin, if it does go past 70, I think we can get to 72, 73. Beyond that, I think it will still take time. I think we're going to slowly go up, but some alts are just going to pump. You look at the Solana ecosystem. Some of these have gone nuts, so I should almost do a video on what I was doing with GameStop. The moose was getting loose on GameStop, did well, held the moon bag, and then lost on the moon bag. But overall, I turned 2 SOL into 8.5 SOL. So that was kind of cool. So guys, comment down below and check out the link tree. So if you guys go to the channel, here's the link tree. It's in the description of all the videos. If you guys go there, you have an affiliate link for Kopi. So if you click on that link, if you are interested in picking up a node, use that link. So it will benefit this channel, and I appreciate anything that can help do that. So that Dega NFTs, I have my Loose Moose NFTs. You guys will benefit from that, in particular more at the end of the year. But I have some special things coming for my fellow subscribers. And pick up a hardware wallet. Save up to 25% off all hardware wallets and enroll in an online course. We have a free Cardano mini course. So with that being said, the moose is loose. We'll see you in the next one.